Platform 3 for the 2126 Airlink Service to Airport Terminal 3. Calling at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 5 for the 21 Airlink Service to Stepford Central. Calling at Ellesmere Junction, St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 3. We will call at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3. The next station will be Stepford Airport Central. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Airport Central. Change here for trains to Leighton Stepford Road. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Airport Terminal 3. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
This is Stepford Airport Central. This train is for Airport Terminal 3. The next station will be Airport Terminal 2. Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 3. We will call at Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3. The next station will be Airport Terminal 2. We will shortly be arriving at Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Terminal 3 only. This train is formed of 3 coaches.